What up, you guys? Today y'all tuned in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss. If you ain't know that already, I know I got some new people out there checking me out. So yeah, hey, this Southern Smoke Boss, y'all coolin' with the best. And y'all wanna know why they call me Southern Smoke Boss? Cause I'm from the South and I'm bringing that smoke to y'all with all the greatest food. So today we're gonna be doing some CopyCat Panda Express beef and broccoli. So I see y'all really enjoyed the previous one that I did, the mint pepper Wingstop CopyCat video. So I just had to go bring another one. And I'm gonna be bringing more, you know, as it goes along. So what we got here, the ingredients. Of course, we got the beef stir fry. Got some broccoli, cornstarch, soy sauce, rice vinegar, oyster sauce, brown sugar, water, and minced garlic and minced ginger. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go on over and we'll go wash our meat off, and then we'll come back and season that so it can marinate. So we're gonna be adding in some cornstarch into the bowl, and this go let your meat marinate so it get nice and tender. So the recipe for this will be in the description below. So I just added in some rice vinegar. Sorry about that, you guys. I just get excited when I be making food. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up, and we're gonna let it marinate for about 15 minutes. You know, cornstarch makes your meat nice and tender, like your steak. You know, different things. Makes your chicken extra crispy. You put it in the flour. Now that we have that mixed up, we're gonna go ahead and let that marinate for 15 minutes. And we're gonna go over here and get our broccoli, put on and start steaming it. So we're gonna put the broccoli on just enough to steam it so it turns bright green. This shouldn't take them about 10 minutes. By then it'll be time to put on the beef. So we're gonna go ahead and make up our sauce. So our sauce is gonna be the brown sugar, oyster sauce, water, and soy sauce. So first I'm gonna add in dry ingredients, the brown sugar. Now I'm gonna just come in with the oyster sauce. The water. And the soy sauce. Just gonna get all this mixed up and combined together. So I got my wok right here that I'm gonna be using today. If you don't have a wok, you just use no skillet pan. So I'm gonna pour some olive oil in there. If you don't have olive oil, you can use like grapeseed oil, whatever your oil preference is. And we go just get the pan nice and hot. We're gonna sit there and wait for that to get hot, then we'll put our beef in there. So we'll go ahead and add in our beef, and we're gonna hear my favorite sound when I cook some beef or steak. Go ahead and let it get crispy and brown on one side before we mix it and flip them around. So this is the bright green I was telling you how you want your broccoli. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it off, bring it up, and just let it set there until we get it put in our stir fry. Stay tuned, you guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and give it a quick toss in here. See how I got that nice brown crust on the other side? Just go toss it around. So we'll go ahead and put in our minced ginger and minced garlic and give it a toss in there. We're gonna add in our broccoli. We're just gonna mix it on in. So I'm gonna give my sauce a quick stir, make sure everything's dissolved. And we're gonna go ahead and pour that on in. And we just go stir this, you know, every about 30-45 seconds until your sauce thickens how you want it. So we're just gonna let the sauce get a little thick. Just get everything covered with the sauce. So we're gonna let it simmer for probably about 5 minutes, and your sauce is gonna thicken up. Okay, so it has came to a simmer. This is exactly how you want it. This is my finished product right here. So I'm having it with some white rice. So we're gonna go over here and put it on place on the plate, and I'm gonna get Junior to try it out. Let's head on over.
Okay, I'm going to give you a taste test.
So you don't need that much.
Corn. That's good.
Show your food up and let them know.
It's good. He's so rushed because I didn't get the taste. That's good.
So, hey, I'd like to thank y'all for stopping by, checking out your boy Southern Smoke Boss today, making this copycat video of Panda Express beef and broccoli. It'll be more videos coming like this with different copycat restaurant videos. Hey, be sure to give this video a thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Subscribe. You all heard it from the little one. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free all day. Thanks for tuning in today. Peace out. About to go eat.